start the recording. And I think you can see my screen, right,
Yes,
Akash?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Up to now, today we have completed in the single row functions. We have completed string function, number function, date function, conversion function. Conversion function also yesterday we have covered all the topics. So the rest today we are going to complete this general function. General function is nothing but the miscellaneous function. Also we can call it as a miscellaneous function. So in this miscellaneous function, let us write what are the types are involved in the miscellaneous function or general function. See here NVL of and NVL2 of. Okay, and this.
Hi, sir.
Okay, today we are going to cover this general function in this. Yesterday we have completed up to the 4 functions, right? String function, number function, date, conversion also. Yesterday we have completed. Today last general function uh, is available to complete today's session. Let's complete in today's session. General function. In general function also called in general function we have different types of operators. That is called as a NVL of NVL2 and greatest of and least of. This one, see, in general functions mostly we have many different types of functions or operators are available in the general function. In real time scenarios mostly 99% 99% these miscellaneous functions are going to use. In every scenario we are going to take this NVL function or NVL2 function operator. These operators are we are going to cover in this today's session. First of all, let's discuss about the NVL. So what is NVL? NVL is easy to replace the null value with the other value. So this NVL will do, it is easy to replace the null values with the other values. See, uh, this if we talk this one, we can see this NVL syntax. First of all, what is the syntax for the NVL? NVL syntax is NVL of two arguments we are giving here. Argument 1 and argument 2. See, this is the syntax. Nothing. Simple syntax. NVL. It is easy to replace the null value with the other value. If in case we are looking in the salaries column. For example, we are taking this. Let me log in this one. See, in the employees table, for example, in the salaries column, if you look into this in the salaries column means if some of the persons are having zero salary means, for example, that zero is considered as a null. So in this null value will be replaced with the other value, whatever we are specifying it is. It is called as a NVL. So NVL will participate in operations, then the result will be null. If the first argument is not null, it returns the first argument only. That means what I mean to tell is, so in the salaries column, select star from employees. See, in the commission percentage column, if you look into this commission percentage, we have many null values and some of them having the values are there. So yeah, it will NVL operator will perform if the first argument is not null. That means this is not null, right? This can be considered as null. So if it is not null, then it will returns the first argument only. It will give the same number. If, for example, if the first argument is null, this one, So it will return the second argument. It will return the second argument like this. So it will not return the null value in this case. So this is about the null value. For example, if you look into this example, select column, we are giving the NULL of, what is the syntax? Syntax is nothing but two arguments. We need to specify the two arguments to operate the NULL function. First operator I am giving is, first argument we are giving is 100, and the second argument I am giving is 200 from dual. From dummy table, let's check this one. So we are applying the NULL operator. So if you execute this one means, see, I already told you that if you execute this one means it will return the 100 value only. It will not return the 200. For example, in this same scenario, first one is null. First argument is null. Then it will return the second argument 200. The output is 200. This is about the NULL. So it will replace the null value with the other value. It won't show the null values. For example, in the students table example, let's consider as we have the students table, and for each student we are giving some of the marks. In some of the students get the 0 marks. So I need to check who are getting, for each student who are getting this mm, marks, how much marks I need to check. So in that case, who are having this 0 value, 0 marks means I am specifying that 0 marks will be considered as fail. So it will directly replace it null value as a 0 value as a fail argument. Directly it will show as a fail. So in this case we are going to use this operator this as NULL. So in the total, let's calculate the total salary by using the NULL function. How can we calculate this? In the select star from employees table, in the employees table, in some cases we need to do the calculate the total salary by using the NULL function. So how can we use this NULL function in this one? Select employee ID and first name, and I am taking the hire date as well, hire date, and I am taking the salary column, salary, plus I am using the NULL operator here. Like as a 0, I am specifying like this. Yes, I am giving the alias name, total salary from employees table. See, I don't have the salary in the salary column. I don't have the com value. In this case, 0 value. I don't have the 0 in the commission percentage. Let's see in the commission percentage. See, NULL function for the salary column, I am giving the original salary also for understanding, better understand. See, this is the operation I have did. I am taking in the employees table, I am taking the employees ID. For each employee ID, I am having the first name and hire date as well. So this is the original salary. This is 2600. For 2600, what I have done, I have added the new salary. I have hiked them. I have given the hike salary to them. So how much I have given? I given the salary plus 2600 salary plus I am giving the who are having the salary I am giving NULL function who are having I am adding this one salary again to this one. So who are having the zero salary means then that person should be added 1000. So like this, but in the salary column nothing, no one has the zero salary. So if it has taken the first argument itself, so it has added the salary plus salary, then it can be shown as, see, 6000 original salary and I have added salary plus salary, two salaries. See, salary I have given the plus value plus NULL I have given salary directly. So salary plus salary 6000, 6000, 12,000. So directly if it will comes like this. So if the salary person in the table, employees table, who are having the zero salary means, then that person will be added 1000 rupees like this. So this is the NULL operator operation will do. It will take the first argument is a null value means then it will go to the second argument. See, in this salary in this employees table, no one has the null values in the salary column. So it has directly it has taken the adding the salary from the salary column. How much salary is there? I am giving the hike of the salary directly. So this is the operation doing by using the NULL function. So in some other cases, see, I need to specify that NULL, for example, I am taking the display. I am getting any interview questions like this. Display all the employee records along with the commission. If the commission is null, display as it is not applicable. See, we have the column like as a commission percentage here. We have the column commission percentage. What the interviewer is asking, display all the employee records along with the commission percentage. If the commission percentage is null, see, this null should be replaced with the N by A. He is telling that this commission percentage should be replaced with N by A. So these data types are allowed in this one. Strings are allowed in this NULL. So let's check this one. Let me show directly. So I am taking this same example. So what I mean to say is, so in the NULL, I am giving the number data type, means it is taking, if the first argument is null, then it is going to the second argument. These two arguments are in the number data type or integer or decimal. This can be specified, but this interviewer is asking to replace with the string. String means, for example, in this N by A, like this, instead of integer number, I am entering the string value here. So this NULL function will give the result or not. Let's check it here directly. So I am taking the commission percentage value instead of salary. See, commission percentage, copy. I am taking this. I am going to remove this one. I am taking the NULL. So instead of if the commission percentage is null, then it should be transferred as to next argument. So in the next argument I am giving string value, that is N by A. This is not the alias name. Let me give the value A column. So if I execute this one means, will it give the proper result to us? Let's check. No, it will not give the proper result. Why? Because NULL operator will only allows the integer numbers, that means number data type only. So if in case I need to use the string data types means how can I use it? If in case I need to use the string data types, in this case I need to see who are having the commission percentage null value, then I need to see this n by a. So in this case, how can I make this perform it? So in these cases, how? By using the toChar function. We already discussed in the conversion functions. So by using the conversion functions, instead of commission percentage here, I am going to take the toChar, two character of like this, toChar of, I am going to take the commission percentage here, and I am giving the execution value here. See, now it is displayed. See, wherever this null value is available, then it is replaced with the n by a string value. Before it is not allowed to insert the string value, but here by using the toChar operator, so we are going to achieve this operation successfully. Got it, guys? Yes, please respond. So now I am going to see this n by a. See, wherever I am having this not null value, I am going to get this same not null value here in the new column. Wherever I am having the null value here, I replace this null value as n by a, not applicable. This is the usage of NULL. These scenarios will be mostly asked in the interviews. So this is the small logic questions. So instead of using in the NULL operation, we are using the directly here in the above, we are giving the column name directly here. So it is in the number data type, salary. It is a number data type. So what is the syntax for this NULL? So first argument, if it is a null, it should be passed to the next argument. If it is a not null, it should take the first argument itself. So in these cases, I have given the toChar function. By using the toChar function, who are having the null value in the commission percentage as null, then I have transferred this null value as a string. I have converted this null value as a string. This is the magic in SQL. So we can utilize this SQLs in any type, whatever. So I got this scenario, I got this idea to achieve this operation. So someone may get the other idea to achieve this operation, maybe by using the other two number, any other functions by using. So we can get the result in any type of operations, not only by using this toChar only. So any, if someone having the some other scenarios like this, instead of using this toChar, they may have the other approaches. So like this, we can utilize this operators in the SQL. Got it, guys? I think you guys are understand about what about the NULL. Akash, understand?
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is about the NULL, and let's go for the NULL2. See, NULL2 and NULL is both are same, but instead of NULL and NULL2, see in the NULL we have these two arguments, but here in the NULL2 we'll have the three arguments. We will have the three arguments. Same syntax. It is also used. This NVL2 also is used to replace the null and not null values. In this, in the top NVL we have going to argument. If first argument is a null value, it should be going to the next argument. So, but in this NVL2, if the argument having a not null value also, then it will be passes to the other arguments. The first argument is not null, it will return the second argument. The first argument is null, it will return the third argument. Got it, guys? So if the first argument is not null, it will return the second argument. In this, let me explain with the same in the example. By using the example, I will explain you. See, select NVL2 of for example, I am taking the first argument as 100 and second argument is 200, third argument is 300. So in this scenario, in these cases, what I already told you, the first argument is not null, then it will passes to the second argument. If the first argument is null, then it will passes the third argument. This is about the NVL2. See, if I execute this one means, then my resultant will be 200. Why? Because in the NVL I am taking, if the not null value is first argument is not null, then it will return the same not null value 100 itself. But here in the NVL2, if the first argument is also having the not null, but also it will giving the second argument. In the same scenario, if the first argument is null, then it should be given 200. But this NVL2 function will not give the 200 result. It will give the 300. See, instead of 200, I achieve the 300. It is easy to replace the null and not null values. I already mentioned you. The first argument is not null and it returns the second argument. If the first argument is null, it returns the third argument. This is about the NVL2 operation. See, let's go for the examples deeply with the examples. What is about the NVL and NVL2? In which case I need to, if the employee is getting commission percentage, I need to set as 1,000. In some cases in the employees table, select star from employees. In the employees table itself, let's have it the example. See, in the example I am going to check whatever see, I am updating in the employees table, I am updating the commission percentage value. Let's check. How can I update employees table, update table name, set what I am going to set, this commission percentage. Commission percentage equal to, I am going to set this one, NVL2 of, see, I am going to give the 3 arguments in this scenario. First argument, we are having the commission percentage directly. First argument I am giving the commission percentage, and the second argument I am giving the commission percentage plus 500. In the third argument I am giving 1,000 directly like this. So whenever we are going to update the functions in the records, in the tables, we should maintain for which table, for which record, if I don't give this filter condition where clause means, it will update it to all the rows. It will update to all the rows. If I want to update for the specific records only means, then I have to use the where clause. So here I am going to update for the all records. So then how can I achieve this one? Commission percentage, annual commission percentage. What is the, let me check what is given the NVL2 commission percentage plus 500 comma 1000 set employees table. What is the error it is defining? Invalid identifier. Percentage where I have given this one. Commission percent invalid identifier. Commission percentage. COMMI. Spelling is wrong. COMMI SSION. Commission percentage spelling is wrong. Let me recorrect the column number. See, you need to check before going to execution. You need to check all this one. See, value larger than the specific precision allowed. So I have given the precision in the data type only. I have given the 0.2, 0.3 like this. So in these cases, it is going to allow. Why? Because I have given the percentage here. See, 0.2, 0.3 like this only. Commission percentage 0.1, 0.2. But I have given the precision is 500 and like this. So in these cases, so I am going to update this 0.1. Let's check. 0.2, not 500 and 1000. So let me execute this one. See, for example, 172 employee ID who are having 172 is 0.15. See, 107 rows, 172. Let's check this. It is updated. Let's check the 172. 172. So before it is 0.15. But after I update it, it is going to 0.25. It has 0.15 to it. I have updated 0.2. Then it is come to 0.25. This much value. Who are having the null values? Directly it is going to the 0.2. Like this. Like this, these NVL2 functions are going to use in this scenarios. Got it, guys? I am rollbacking this one. Rollback completed. See, again I have received the old values here. Making the commit. If we look into the other one, see, we have completed the NVL and NVL2. See, we have the other third function, third operator is greatest. See, this greatest is used to find the maximum value in the horizontal values. Maximum values in the horizontal values. For example, select star, not star, select greatest of 10, comma 20, comma 30 or something, any numbers you can give from dual. So if I need to check this in these records, which one is the highest record, greatest record, I need to check. So I'm in this syntax, in these scenarios, I'm going to use the greatest operator. So if I perform this operator means this is going to show this 30. So here I have the only the 3 records, but in the real time scenarios it is there multiple million hundreds of columns are there. So in that column I'm going to check whether which one is the greatest record. This like this I need to find. So I may have the many columns, not only 3, 400 columns, also 200 columns are there. Also in that columns I need to check which one is the greatest column, like that. So by using this greatest, we are going to find the maximum value in the horizontal values itself. The horizontal records itself I am going to find. So in the what is the difference between the maximum and the greatest? Maximum is looking for in the column wise. So if we going to check for in the students table, for example, for the students table, for the student it is having the students table. Each table they having for all the let me show in the paint. In the students table we have employee ID, I mean student ID, student name, and these are the marks F1, F2, F3 subject names. Identify this one. See here in the maximum value, by using this maximum I can able to identify this. See this particular student I am using to getting this what is the maximum value in the column wise only, by using the column wise. But by using the greatest I am used to define the greatest value in the record wise. That means Telugu, Hindi, English subjects. What is the greatest marks I have achieved? This student is achieved. Then in this scenario, I am going to take the greatest operator. But by using the maximum value, by using the maximum value, this maximum operator is going to get the maximum report in the by using the column. By using this column it is going to get the maximum value, but the greatest will get the by using the record. By using the record is nothing but the row. Rows also can be called it as a record. So this is the difference between the greatest and the maximum. In the same way, this is the example for the greatest. In the same way, select greatest of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So we have 6 records. We need to find the greatest value in this. Then it will gives the 6. Number 6 is the greatest value in the horizontal. So if you look into the, if you find the maximum value means maximum value in this means it will go into check into this column wise. It will ask the column name. Like this. And the same way we have the minimum. In the same way we have the list. List is easy to find the minimum value in the horizontal values. Greatest and the list are used to check the horizontal values only. Horizontal values. In the same scenario, I am going to use this list instead of greatest. So if I execute this one means I may get this one value. Why? Because in the horizontal values in this 1 2 3 4 5 6, so this is the least value, 1 is the least value. This is about the miscellaneous function or general function we have seen. So we have covered, let's review, quick review all the single row functions in SQLs. We have 5 types of single row functions in the SQLs, and we have covered in the string function. The first one is a string function. The string function we have covered. It will operate, string function will operate only the character data. So what are the character data? Are upper of, lower of, length of, init cap of, and this one substring of, instring of, like this. Oh, sorry. In this string function, I forgot to tell you that about the lpad and rpad and ltrim and rtrim. I'm going to teach you now in today's case. Lpad also important and rpad also important, and ltrim and rtrim. These 4 operators I'm going to teach you in today's class. Why? Because this lpad and rpad is the most important operators in the SQL. In real-time scenarios, we are going to use this lpad and rpad many times, so it will be useful in many scenarios. By using this lpad and rpad, we are going to achieve the different types of results in the real-time work. So without skipping this operation, let me teach this lpad and rpad and ltrim and rtrim. See, lpad pad is nothing but fill. What is a lpad? Lpad pad. What is a pad? What is a pad? Pad is nothing but, we can be call it as fill. So lpad, L means left, so left side fill, it is indicating to left fill. So that means R means right fill. So lpad and rpad, left side fill, right side fill. So it is used to fill the specified characters set at left side and set at right side. It is used to fill the specified characters. So what is the syntax for the lpad and rpad? What is the syntax? Lpad of string and max size. We are going to give the maximum size. How much size I need to get it? So it is asking what type of character do I need to fill it. So it will ask the character, or it can be called as characters. That's it. This is the simple syntax for the lpad. In the same way, rpad also the same syntax will be used, but instead of lpad we are going to take the rpad here. See, lpad and rpad, left fill and right fill. Pad is nothing but fill. In general words, I'm going to tell you this: pad is nothing but fill, but we should not call fill instead of pad. So we should always call the lpad and rpad. So for example, if you take these examples by using this LPAD, let's make an example. Select LPAD of Akash. Let's take your name itself, Akash. So for the Akash, I need to get the how many characters maximum size, 10 numbers. I need to get 10 number of size. So but Akash have only 1 2 3 4 5 characters only. But the remaining character, what should I want to fill? I am giving the specific character. So I need to fill this about star from dual. If I execute this one means, see, LPAD, why? Because it is filling the front end means I have given the LPAD. It is filling the left side of this Akash. If I want to fill this right side means, then I need to give the R side, R pad. R pad means it will fill the right side. It will give the, but it will give the 10 characters. See, 10 characters. Like this LPAD and RPAD are going to utilize. So instead of using this star symbol, we are going to take this any symbol, not only star. We are going to take any dollar number also. See, dollar number also, by using the dollar number we are going to get this, achieve this result. So I need to get the not only the 7 characters, not 10 characters. So 5 characters already inserted in this by using the string value is Akash, and the remaining 2 strings can be defined as this symbol, star or any symbol, dollar symbol. So by this LPAD and RPAD are going to utilize. So just a minute guys, just a minute, I will come back. Okay, just a minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Mm.
Sorry, Akash.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Uh, okay. We have seen about this LPAD and RPAD. So in some cases, I may get an interviewer. Some of the interview will ask in generate the message as the following OTP, we are getting in the daily message. So in the OTPs we will get for the phone number, X marks, right? X marks and last four digits we will get it like. So in that case,
Yes, sir.
so how can you develop a code to display like that? So in some scenarios I'm going to get this kind of scenario interview questions also. So for example, mobile number mobile number if I having the mobile number, my mobile, any other mobile, 984801234 5. See in this mobile number, how the interviewer is asking the output means, see he is asking x means, and last four digits 2345, like this he is asking. So instead of displaying this 9848012 so he is asking to replace this characters with x. So in this scenario we are going to utilize this lpad. Why? Because it is in the left hand side. So how we are going to achieve this output? So to achieve this output I am going to write, so this is the important questions you need to follow. So how I am going to achieve this one? I am going to take the string value like OTP sent. I'm getting the messages in front of this one, like this one, on mobile number, like this. So space, and I'm going to concatenate with this lpad mobile number, lpad of. So how I'm going to concatenate? So what is this lpad? Lpad syntax. Lpad syntax is string. First of all, I need to give the string value and how many maximum numbers do I need to achieve, and what are the types of characters do you want to replace it. So this is the lpad. So first I am going to giving the string value, how I am going to execute. So how many characters do I want to replace? Six characters. The six characters, what should I want to replace? Example x. So for this I am going to see here, up to here, this lpad, by using this lpad, six characters will be replaced with the x. So but I need to display the, in the mobile number I need to display the other last four digits. So for that I need to give the substring value, right? For substring, what is the substring? First of all I need to give the string value, whatever I need to get it. See this mobile number.
So presentation అయిపోయింది సార్.
Huh?
ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అయిపోయింది సార్, రావట్లేదు.
Oh sorry, ఎందుకని ఇందాక నేనేం ఆపలేదు. ఉంది ఇక్కడ,
రావడం లేదు.
ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది. Okay, again I am going to present you. Able to see my screen?
నో సార్.
No?
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్.
Okay. See, I need to specify. See here, up to here I have given the first value OTP sent to the mobile number. This one added, I have added to this one. So for that I am going to concatenate by using the pipe symbol. So after the concatenations I need to replace this six digits with the x. I am going to replace the six digits with x, this one, 6 of, and after that I need to concatenate with mobile number again, and last four digits to be displayed. So for this I am using this substring, and from which character I need to show, from last four characters I need to be displayed. For last four characters, how can I need to how can I see -4 by using the reverse strategy. -4 means it will come to the up to 2 here. So -4 I'm going to display. I'm going to execute this directly, and I don't want to give up to where means it will be shown to 2 3 4 5. Instead of, I'm also giving the 4 values. No problem. If I give this 4 or not 4 means no issue. It will be displayed accordingly. But I have given the last 4 digits even, no problem. From dual. That's it. Means if I execute this means I'm going to achieve this mobile number. See, OTP sent to the mobile number. First mobile number of this mobile number, see, will be replaced with this XXX, and last 4 digits will be shown as like this 2 3 4 5. If I don't give this last 4 also, no issue, it will be displayed as this same value. Or else, if I don't want to go into the minus also, if I giving the 6 means also it will be shown the same one, or 7, it will be shown in the same value by going the positive, like this. Like this we can achieve the result by using the LPAD. So this LPAD is using oftenly, many times in the real-time scenarios. Got it, Ajay? Akash?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
In the same way, we have the L stream and R stream. L trim and R trim. So here I discussed that pad is going to fill with the replace other numbers. So instead of, I'm going to the L pad and L trim and R trim. Trim means remove. Trim means remove. Trim we generally call it as a remove. So L trim means left side remove. R trim means right side remove. It is easy to remove the unwanted character from the left side. If I am going to use the left L trim off. If I am going to use this R trim means it is going to remove the unwanted character from the right side. This is the use case of L trim and R trim. So what is the syntax for this L trim or R trim? First we are giving the string value. We are giving the string value, and I am going to give the character. What characters are there? I need to specify. The same way R trim. R trim. For example, if you see here, select get trim of, if the string value I have like this means Raju, like this I have. So for this, if I use L trim means, so how can I remove the star from here? So I am using the L trim. L trim means it will remove all the unwanted characters what I have specified here from dual. See, missing expression. What is L trim? Select L trim. What is oh sorry, I need to specify the quotations. The string, this is the string, right? I need to specify in quotations. So if you see here means Raju left side, whatever the star value is indicated here, it should be replaced, it should be trim. In the same way I am going to trim in the right hand side. If I use the R trim, say Raju, whatever the strings, whatever the star value in the right hand side, it is going to trim. It has trimmed. This is about the L trim and R trim. Okay, Akash.
Yes, sir.
Then we have completed the string function, number function, date function, and the conversion function, general function, or miscellaneous functions. So tomorrow let's complete about the analytical functions.
Okay, sir.
And after tomorrow let's start with the joins.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Akash. Let's connect tomorrow.
Okay, sir.